Gold nanoparticles, a new hope for MS and Parkinson's. Researchers at UT Southwestern Medical Center have made a groundbreaking discovery. They've found that gold nanoparticles might just be the key to treating neurodegenerative diseases like multiple sclerosis and Parkinson's. In their phase 2 clinical trials, patients taking a daily dose of gold nanocrystals showed significant improvements in brain function. These tiny particles work by boosting brain energy metabolism, a crucial factor in these conditions. Over 12 weeks, 24 participants underwent brain scans to track their progress. The results? Remarkable improvements in their brain's metabolic markers. This innovative therapy offers a beacon of hope for millions living with these debilitating diseases. Gold nanoparticles could revolutionize treatment, offering a new, effective option where few exist. Stay tuned as this promising research progresses, bringing us closer to a future where neurodegenerative diseases can be managed more effectively. Exciting times ahead. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more breakthroughs in health and wellness.